Checking the see how stabilized it is. I have it on the PF mode. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the vortex again, and I speed up the motor. So there you go, vortex. This is the fastest that it goes. Oh wow! Like my baby likes to say, oh wow! And then down. Alright. So right here you can tilt this sideways and then turn it. Alright. That's pretty cool. But you kind of just turning from low. Oh, that's cool. Oh man, I like this. Alright, let's take it off.